Hi everyone, I'm Todd Miller, Manager of Product Marketing for Seco Tools. February 13th, mark your calendar. New products from Seco Tools are coming. We've got 3 new families that we're going to really focus on, and that's 2 milling families and a new upgrade to Duratomic. The 22088 cutter family is getting a brand new upgrade with a screw down insert. There's going to be 2 different insert sizes in 12 and 16 millimeters, along with 2 different pitches. We also have a brand new family being introduced. It's called the 22028. That's a double-sided round milling cutter for copy milling. That's going to be available in the 12 millimeter insert size. There's going to be different pitches available along with 2 different geometries and different grades for different materials. One of the third major things we have coming for this launch is an upgrade to TP3500 Duratomic turning inserts. Those inserts are going to go chrome and be upgraded to TP3501. TP3501 will incorporate the chrome used edge detection of what you've seen with the 0501, 1501, and 2501, and well suited into those applications that are much more demanding with interrupted cuts. Some of the other product additions that we have coming will be the LOEX M09 geometry. That is a geometry specifically suited for titaniums and super alloys. We also have left-handed square 6 inserts and some additional geometries in MS2050 and a couple other grades. We're also going to be adding additional 33510 disc mill cutters. Those will all be CombiMaster, and those are thin width cutters which are going to include through coolant capabilities, which will be much more effective at clearing chips through those thin slots. In our solid carbide milling range too, Niagara is going to have some additions to their multi-flute family. The 638, 738, and 938 series of tools are going to get some additions in smaller diameters with different necking options and lengths. There's also going to be an expansion into the Abro 770 and 780 range of cutters. Those are meant for super alloys and titaniums. Some of the other additions within the turning product family is we're going to have a new chip breaker for the new chrome cast iron Duratomic grades, MR9, which is going to be specifically for heavy, high feed rate roughing. Then lastly, we are expanding the range of steady line turning bars into the larger diameter. They'll be available in 2.5 and 3 inch, along with 60 and 80 millimeter diameters. They'll all be available in length to diameter ratios of 6 times diameter, 8 times diameter, and 10 times diameter, so you can suit different applications. With these bars, there's going to be a new conversion so that you can use our standard GL50 heads with any of these bars. There's what is called the BA to GL connection. The BA connection is a Graflex type connection that centers it well and then has the opportunity to use the different GL50 heads. Those adapters are actually available with 2 different drops, which means from the center line out to the cutting edge. The one actually puts you real close to the bar diameter, but if you need to get into larger diameters, we have a secondary head that actually has a dimension longer and helps give more relief and clearance for chip evacuation. And as always, I want to make sure that you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel at secotools.com/US. There's a ton of great information and videos out there. You'll get to see some of the new cutting edge conversations that are coming. Also, we're upgrading our website. There's a new beta version of secotools.com. The new website actually integrates all the great functionality within My Pages, where you can search, get recommended product, and find all the product data to suit your needs. So if you have any questions about these upgrades, please don't hesitate to contact your local Seco technical representative, tech team at 1-800-832-8326, or your local authorized Seco distributor. Thank you.